Dave and Larry here in Studio 3B. John is out on a virtual event today, so Dave's in the studio taking over. Welcome. Glad to have you here for the Pro Pick Week 12 wrap-up.
Thanks a lot, Larry, and I'm sure John just is using this as an excuse to finally get me in the studio. Why are we here? Isn't there still a game to play this week?
There is, but we got to draw the line somewhere. I got to have time to prep and get things going, and Tuesday's my limit. So after that, no county.
Okay, good call, but there's one thing I don't understand. What's up with the Broncos jersey? Have you seen the record this year?
Hey, man, I hear they're without a quarterback. I'm waiting for the call. Put me in, coach.
A little too old there, Larry. And I think their quarterbacks are cleared to play, so I think you lost your chance. But you can tell everyone who our winners are for Week 12.
All right, I can do that. So we've got customer pool, third place going to GOCOWBOYS. Okay. Seen him there before. Second place money winner, first time, Mental Ward 07.
Yep, lost to Mental Ward, understandable.
Yep. First place money winner, also first timer, RFSFOOTBALL.
All right, and how about the partners pool?
Partners pool. So actual first place is Pats Fan 77, but that's our own Jerry Hall. So going down to the second place for the money is TANTHONY 55.
Best quarter he's ever had, courtesy NCSI. We want to thank Imperva Cloud Data Security for sponsoring Week 12. Who do we have sponsoring Week 13?
Oh, not so fast yet. We still got a Big Boss Challenge to talk about. No. Come back here. I think there's about 30 people in the combined leagues that beat your picks. What's up with that?
Well, that's what I get for letting my cat make my picks this week. But okay, $10 Amazon card are on their way to 30 people who beat me. Now can we get to the Week 13 sponsor?
You're the boss. Time for the announcement. Let's go to Jen, see what we got. See you, Jen.
Thanks, guys. This week's sponsor is Ivanti Xtraction. Actionable insights for everyone across every IT tool you use. Xtraction consolidates data from multiple sources and tools and presents it in one place. Pre-built data connectors mean no coding and definitely no spreadsheets. View your data in context and make smarter, faster decisions with ease. See the video demo below to get a free trial. Thanks. Here you go, guys.
Thanks, Jan. And thank you to all our partners and customers that are playing this year.
Hey, don't forget to make your picks by Thursday, and have a great week. See you guys. Time for the announcement. Let's go to Jen, see what we got. See you, Jen.
Okay, that can stay in. Not a day over 35.
That's a good answer, Dave. That's a very good answer. You sound like my kids.